guys, I just wanted to do a quick overview of the website interface tool. So let me bring that up and we'll get going. What it is that we believe. Okay, this can be added as a HUD or resed out on the ground, whichever you prefer. When it first reses, you'll see the logo for United Artists of SL and a big green button that says click here. So let's click there. It'll turn white for just a moment and then the web page will load. Now just a few things first. It is subject to lag. Lag will slow down the loading of the pages, okay? Using the website directly is faster. And no matter which way you use the interface inworld or use the website directly, all of the things that I'm showing you here will apply, okay? So it works the same inworld or on the web. Now, a few things about the HUD. If you wish to increase or decrease the size, you can click the upper right hand corner and you'll get a pop-up menu. You just click the increments. I'm going to get it kind of large here. There we go. Alright. Also, if you click the top, it'll give you another player, a landmark to the UASL land, and an information note card. Anytime that you click the bottom button that says click to return to UASL website, that takes you back to the main page of UASL. Okay, United Artists of SL is the website. So that will take you to this starting page. Okay. Up at the top we have home, about, and site registration. Home, of course, brings you right back here too. About just tells the world about United Artists of SL. Now this is open to any artist group, any artist, and any gallery to use, okay? But it needs to be used specifically for art only. That's all I ask. And technically, I would like it if you would be a member of the UASL group. That way, if there's any changes or anything like that to the interface, you will know about it. Okay, I'll send it out on notices and stuff. Site registration enables you to use the website, enter blogs and events and things like that. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute. We have two main columns here on the home page. The main column is for blog posts. It will display the most recent blog posts. The right hand side is broken down. You have upcoming events and you have a submenu for recent blog posts, any comments that were made to those blog posts, and then a mini site registration form. It's just a smaller version of the form that you complete in order to get an account, in order to blog and post events. Anything that you post or you do on here, you can link it. You can copy and paste the link in Facebook or wherever in your Second Life profile, and it will bring them straight to your post. Okay, why would you want to do this? You would want to do this in order to share information about your art or your event. It's great. It's a great icebreaker for a lot of people if they kind of get to know you a little bit and what the art is kind of, expressing, sort of. You don't have to say everything. You can post You can have videos, images, Google Slides, all kinds of things embedded into your blog post. And you can also schedule your events and they'll show up right here. Okay, I got up and turned my heater on. It's getting a little chilly out here. For those of you who don't know, I have a lot of animals around me, and there's no telling what sounds you will hear in the background. Right now, the chickens behind me are crowing absolutely vigorously, and I hear frogs too. Okay, so there's no telling what you will hear. It's just the way it is. It's the way I live. I do most of my work on my back porch. I don't like being in four walls. So I come out on my back porch, which is uh, really, really nice. I get to hear the birds sing and the frogs croak and everything else. And gunshots too occasionally. First thing to do is to complete a site registration form that will enable you to post blogs, events, and comments. Uh, and in order to do that, you need to have a current email address. Google has Gmail, and that's completely free. That's what I use. But any other email address will work just fine. You can click on the link at the top, and it will take you to the page with the form. Or, if you prefer, you can just complete the little mini one right here. Either way. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click Site Registration. And here we have the site registration form. Enter your Second Life name and a valid email address. Because what it's going to do is send you a link. And you'll have to click on that link and set yourself a password for the account. I never see your password. No one sees your password. Okay? So yeah, you'll need a valid email address. Now, I'm just going to enter information that I'm going to use for testing, okay? It's for test purposes, so um, it's not going to make much sense. Please enter your Second Life name. That way people can associate you on this site with your inworld avatar, okay? So it needs to be a valid Second Life name. But this is not going to be a valid, at least I hope not. Okay, and then your email address. Okay, and the next four boxes are optional. If you want to indicate that you're a specific type of artist, that's fine. Or if you're a gallery owner, that's fine too. Um, it doesn't really matter at this point. Click the submit button. You will get a confirmation that your form has been sent, okay? And it will say, please allow 24 hours for processing your request. Okay, and you'll get an email when it's been processed. It will send you a link that you need to click on to complete the activation for the account and set your password. I'm going to insert a captcha right here, and that will show you what the email should look like. Once you click on that link, it will take you to a page asking you to change or set. Okay, once you set your password and complete the registration, come back to the viewer. And no, that's not via this interface because your email is your email, and I can't display your email. So you have to go to your email account either via web or what have you, and click on the link and enter a password and come back to the website. I'm going to click return to UASL website. Okay, when you get back to the website, first thing you need to do is log in. To do that, currently, it may change. Click the login button down here under metadata, log in. And I'm going to use my email address. And then enter your password. When you log in, it will take you to the dashboard. It's a WordPress dashboard. It's a WordPress site. It's a blogging site. And you'll have these options on the left available to you. Tools, there's nothing there. It's blank. There are no tools at this time. So that's supposed to be blank. You can go to your profile, set various information for your profile, change your name, okay? Change your email address, enter a biography, like your artist biography, and generate a new password if you want to. You can do that anytime you wish. Then click Update Profile. Events, that's where you'll create new events. Posts, this is where you would create a blog post. Up at the top, you can click Add New. And you get the wonderful welcome to the wonderful world of blocks message. Blocks are just sections of text and things. Okay, we're just going to quickly add one here. Let's see. And let's see. Okay, let's go over here to the right and click this publish. You can select your visibility. When you want to publish, this is a great feature. You can post date your blog posts so that they post at a specific date and time. It's awesome. Tags. Just a few keywords about your post. Hit enter. And click publish. You get the address of your post right here. You can copy it. I suggest you preview it first though. See if you want to make any changes. This is what your post will look like. People can leave comments. Okay. And on the home page then, it will display in order the web blog posts. Now notice up here you have a little toolbar. Go to United Artists of SL and select Dashboard to get back to where we were. Next, let me show you events. I'm going to click on Add New, or you can go up to the top, New, Post, or Event. Okay? Want a title for your event. I cannot type. And again, we have pretty much the basics that you would find in most any word processor. Just type a little bit about your event. Time and date of your event. Wednesday. Select your event categories and then click Publish. Okay, and when you're finished, let's go back to the main website. I'm going to click on the return, bottom. And now over on the right under upcoming events, you will see your event. If it's not too far in advance with a lot of other people before, you can click on it to view it. Some other advantages, you can search the site for like exhibit. It will show you everything regarding anything that's tagged with the word exhibit. Okay, that's about it. That's all I can think of at the moment. Okay, I hope this has been helpful to you, and I hope you'll certainly jump on the webpage and start filling in some blanks. I think this will be a great tool. And again, I just want you to know that anybody is welcome to use this tool, okay, the website. It does not have to be UASL events or related. As long as it's SL art related, no problems. Let's keep this SL art related and we'll be doing good, okay? You guys have a great day and take care. Oh, one last thing. Don't forget to log out. Might want to do that. Down at the bottom, log out.